Okay everyone, welcome to Woody's Real-Time Fishing. And I decided to just let my son play around in the dirt and stuff. So he's down there playing in the dirt and tide is going out. So I caught this big old whiting right here off a shrimp. I didn't think I was gonna catch anything, that's why I didn't start videotaping. But I'll see when I have to run and get my camera. So yeah, some big whiting out here because nobody hardly fishes here. I don't even know the name of this location. It doesn't really have a name. It's just some creek out here. So that's the whiting right there. Nice size whiting. Also caught a crab earlier. Nice big size crab. He was on my line. So I don't even have no ice because I didn't think I was gonna catch anything. So I'm gonna put it in the water right there. Let's see what else we can do. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, I got something else. Another nice size one, I think. Something small. A small little trout. Not big enough. Look at that. Nice trout. Let him go. There he goes. Not quite big enough. Let's see what I got. Something small here. Something. Uh-oh, may not be too small. I think it's like another trout. Oh, got something on that line too. Yeah, another little trout are running. There you go. Hey, something got my bobber. I don't see it no more. Oh snap. Look at that. Flounder. Wow, that's crazy. Got a good old flounder. I like this place. There we go. We'll measure him, see if he's a keeper. Alright. I don't know how I caught it, but I did catch a clam. So that's gonna be good sheephead bait. Shrimp, everybody. Don't know what it is. Feels like a flounder. Fighting like a flounder. And oh, what is this? Sheep's head. That's crazy. Y'all see this? On shrimp, sheep's head. That's what's taking my dang shrimp. Wow. The last place I expect to catch a sheep head. Y'all saw that, right? Try to see this so y'all believe me. Alright, I threw it right there in front of me. And these sheep heads seem like they're all against the edge. See, I'm about to get a bite. He almost took my pole in the water. See, there he is, biting. Trying to wait till he get in his mouth good. See, he's nibbling it. I'm gonna yank it like it's no tomorrow. Try to get him. They seem like they're easy to catch right here. I can't see them, but I know they're there. Bet you he stole my bait. Yep, see? I want to see him. I'm gonna catch one just for y'all. Just using regular old shrimp. That's it. See, just I'm hooking my shrimp. He's gonna really attack this one. Do it right there. See, this time I'm gonna hold it. Cause he ran with my rod last time. And it was a big one. I need to set my drag too. And the thing is, there's no oysters that I know of around there. See, there he is. I'm gonna throw it right in front of me again. He bit the tail off. Set it right there. I'm gonna wait till he bites, then I'm gonna pick it up. I was about to leave. See, there you go. Golly. See, these things are so hard to catch. Well, stay tuned. About to use it for bait to catch some sheep's head. So I just broke it open. So let's see what I can do.